Hi there, I'm Victor, and today I'm gonna show you some tricks and tips on how to get creative with images in PowerPoint. Let me guide you through.
Alright, if we want to work with the pictures, we open a new blank presentation and we head over to Insert at the top of our screen. Once we click Insert, we see the option to put in a screen capture. We can put in a photo album, or we can select pictures. We're going to focus solely on pictures today, and first off we're going to choose stock images. This is something that comes straight out of PowerPoint itself. I think it's stock images from Microsoft that are free to use within PowerPoint. You can search on different terms and use these freely in your PowerPoints. As you can see at the top of the menu, we also have the ability to choose from icons, cutout people, stickers, videos and illustrations. And this is quite interesting that we already get this design option from PowerPoint itself. Alright, now that we've seen that, we're heading over to the next part, and that will be online pictures. The online pictures are generated and powered by Bing instead of Google, and it gives you the opportunity to search for anything on the internet, and you can use these pictures in your presentation once the stock images don't have exactly what you're searching for. It also gives you the opportunity to search for something more, something more commercial. Then we head over to device pictures, so you just insert one of your own device, and I'm gonna choose a picture that I have from a folder in my computer. I found a little football picture, so I went with that. Now, what I want to show you here is what you can do with the picture once it's added in. The first thing that immediately happens to your slide is you're getting slide ideas, and because there's still text on my slide, it's gonna give me ideas with the text that's on there. This will be great for a title slide, and if you're out of options or you have no idea where to start even, adding in your pictures and then looking at the design and ideas is a great idea. If you want your slide to focus solely on the picture, you could remove the text boxes, and once you've removed the text boxes, you can see that it changes the design ideas it gives you, because it now thinks it's only a picture slide. As you can see on the left, we now get different effects and options layered over our design ideas because of what's inside of the slide. Now then we get to picture format. I won't go into detail too much, but today we're going to focus solely on cropping. For next week, I will be doing some effects, so stay tuned for that. If we open crop, we can see a few things. We crop the shape, aspect ratio, fill and fit, and I'll show you what these mean. Crop the shape will mean clicking a shape and the image will crop into that shape. So if you want it in a star, or if you want it in a different shape or an icon, this is the way to do that. It's a very easy and fun way to play around with style. If you use your aspect ratio, it's gonna just go along different ratios for pictures, and you can select these to make your pictures the same size. That will be very nice if you want a slide with a lot of pictures that have to be the same size, so they'll fit in perfectly. If you fit, the picture will fit to the borders of your crop, and if you add fill, the picture will fill the entire border of your cropped scale. It's a very hard thing to say, but just click around with that and you'll probably know how it works. Next week, we'll be heading to effects on pictures and making your slides more interesting with the use of design ideas and crazy effects on your pictures. So stay tuned.
Thank you very much for staying in the picture with us. Get it? Picture? We'll see you around next time. And if you want to know more about us, go check the links in the description to check our blogs, maybe read some blogs, maybe see what we've done in the past, you know? Just stay savvy, okay?